More according to one, I know. Oh, I see. Okay. I will take your PSM practicals. Kotha pati asa. I will take your PSM practicals. Okay. Our temperature aru pulse. These two things are already done. So I just want to take a revision class for vital signs. Okay. So for vital signs, what are the 4 vital signs? Anybody knows? What are the 4 vital signs? I already told you before. Nawaz, what are the 4 vital signs? Can you name them? Hmm?
Hello, ma'am.
What are the 4 vital signs? It's my PSM practical slum. Okay. I will take for some time base, just for 20-25 minutes. Just tell me, what are the 4 vital signs? Do you know? Temperature. Tarpisat?
Pulse,
Pulse. Very good. Then?
respiration,
Yes. And the last one is?
Blood pressure.
Yes, blood pressure. Okay. So we have completed temperature and pulse. So in the next class, we will talk about the respiration. Okay. So temperature, somebody read out what you have learned. What is the normal temperature? What is temperature? Okay. I've given you the notes. Read out. It's just a revision class. Read out. Bhanita Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out. Temperature. Jaldi. Read out fast.
मैम मेरे इस कॉपी में नहीं है, मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ इसलिए
कहाँ पे हो तुम?
मैं कुछ काम में आई थी मैम, यहाँ पे वो मेरा दूसरा कॉपी में लिख रही हूँ।
देखो ये प्रैक्टिकल कॉपीज जो है यू विल हैव टू मेंटेन द प्रैक्टिकल कॉपीज ओके। या यहाँ वहाँ अलग अलग जगह में लिखोगे उसके बाद मिक्सअप हो जाने से प्रॉब्लम होगा। एंड एक बार अगर कॉलेज पे आ जाओगे, if once you come to college then what will happen, I will check your practical copies, okay? And if I don't get the notes that I have given, you won't get internal marks, okay? Practical copies ভালকে maintain কৰা, তাত মানে 10 marks নহলে 15 marks মান থাকে, so I won't give your internal marks. Or even in class, okay, whenever I take class, যদি তুমি teachers ৰ লগত interaction নকৰা, I won't give you internal marks because all this comes under your communication skills. Okay, I will give you marks on this also. If you don't reply me, I won't give you any marks. Kushal Bora, read out vital signs temperature. It is just my revision class lo aso etia. Okay, read out. Kushal Bora present absent?
Hello. Hello.
Kwa.
Hello.
Yes, read out.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
শুনি আছে মেমে কোৱা।
Huh?
শুনি আছে নেকি? মেছেজ দিছো তেতিয়াহে গম
Vital signs temperature to read out. Nawaz, তুমি read করা।
okay, ma'am. Temperature may be defined as the degree of heat maintained by the body. It is the balance between heat produced and heat lost from the body. The types of temperature: core temperature, it is the temperature of deep body tissues of the body. Example: cranium, thorax, abdominal, and cavity. It is 37 degrees Celsius and remains constant. Surface temperature: the body temperature varies. Strong skin, subcutaneous tissues, and fats. It can vary according to environmental temperature. Third one is normal temperature. The body temperature varies between 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. Pyrexia or fever is defined as body temperature above 99 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature and range of body temperature: hypothermia below 95 degree Fahrenheit, subnormal temperature 95 degree to 98 degree Fahrenheit, hyperpyroxia 105 degree Fahrenheit, moderate pyrexia 100 to 103 degree Fahrenheit, low pyrexia 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit.
আৰু একদিনহে থাকিব
আৰু
মেম এইখিনিলৈ লিখিছো।
তোমাৰ নাই পোৱা আহি পাব এইটো
ৰবা
আজিতো আপলোডটো নহয় কি হলা এই হেয়া কি হ'ল
কথা পাতি আছা
আপলোড হৈ গ'ল কেনেকে আপলোড
Can you see the screen? Are you able to see the screen? So this is the vital signs temperature, right? From what you have written. It is the degree of heat maintained by the body. Normal temperature tomorrow 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. That is in Celsius. It will be 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. Pyrexia, also known as fever, is defined as body temperature about 99 degree Fahrenheit. 99 ke besi hole jor hobo fever. Okay, fever is also pyrexia. Then types hoy tumar hypothermia, subnormal temperature, hypyrexia, moderate pyrexia, and low pyrexia. Hypothermia hole below 95 degree Fahrenheit. Subnormal temperature hole 95 to 98 degree Fahrenheit. All this you have to know, okay? Hypyrexia 105 degree Fahrenheit, moderate pyrexia 100 to 103 degree Fahrenheit, and low pyrexia 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. Then you have regulations of body temperature. Itu nawas to likha na agote. Regulations of body temperature.
নাই লিখা
Kya? Others, did you write regulations of body temperature?
No, ma'am.
Write down, write down. Likha ito. Duta column, okay? Thermogenesis mane that when heat is produced from the body, it is known as thermogenesis. And thermolysis means when heat is lost from the body, it is known as thermolysis. Like oxidation of food, heat is the body production, okay? Whenever you consume anything, whenever you eat something, heat is produced inside the body, okay? Like for example, 1 gram of protein gives 4 gram calories, 1 gram of fats gives 9 calories. Muscle activity, glycogen is converted into glucose and release energy. Whenever glycogen is converted to glucose, it gives you energy, okay? Next is your hormonal effect. Next is sympathetic stimulation. And here thermolysis means loss of heat by the body cells in a radiation, heat from the skin to nearby objects. Conduction is when heat is lost through contact of skin with environmental objects. For example, water and ice. Whenever it is too hot, if you put your hand inside ice, what happens? You feel cold automatically. So that is known as conduction. Convection is when it is the method of transfer of heat by circulating air or liquid. Next is evaporation. Example, sweating. Sweating, what happens? Water is converted to liquid and then it is changed to the gaseous state. Example is sweating. Write this thing. Finish writing? Finish writing.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, hello, ma'am.
Yes.
গ্ৰুপত মেবি এক্স ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ চাগে আপুনি পেজ দুখন দিছিলে, ইয়াৰ লিখিছিলোঁ তাতে 4 গ্ৰাম কোচ গিভছ 4 কেলৰিজ বুলিও এটা আছিলে, সেইটো নালাগে নেকি? ইয়াত মেনশ্যন নাই কৰা কিন্তু সেইখনত আছিলে।
কোনটো কি বুজি পোৱা নাই, কি কৈছা?
থাৰ্মোজেনেচিছ এণ্ড হিট প্ৰডাক্টছ আছিলে মানে সেইটো চাইডত, তাত 4 গ্ৰামত কোচ গিভছ 4 কেলৰিজ এটা আছিলে, সেইটো নালাগে নেকি? ইয়াতে মেনশ্যন নাই আপুনি দেখুৱাটো।
ঠিক আছে, এইটো লিখা। এইটো ফলো কৰা, এইটো লিখা।
অলৰেডি প্ৰেক্টিকেল কপি লিখিছিলোঁ মেম, সেইকাৰণে।
হ'ল নেকি? লিখা হ'ল এইটো?
হয় মেম, লিখিলোঁ প্ৰেক্টিকেল কপিটো।
তুমি আগতে লিখিছিলা এইটো?
আপুনি গ্ৰুপত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিছিলে, তেতিয়া লিখিছিলোঁ।
এই দুটা, এইটো মানে তোমালোকৰ বনাইছিলা নাই এইটো? থাৰ্মোজেনেচিছ, গোটেইখিনি লিখিছা নে নাই?
নাই মেম, লিখা নাই।
মেম আপুনি বহুত দিনতে
লিখা নাই
গ্ৰুপত
যদি
শ্বেয়াৰ
লিখি লোৱা,
কৰিছিলে
আৰু
দুটা
যদি
পেজ।
লিখিছা অলৰেডি আৰু কি কৰিম?
লিখি আছো এতিয়া।
ঠিক আছে, লিখা তেনেহলে। এইটো একচুয়ালি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয়।
মানে মেম ইয়াৰ প্ৰসেসিং কেনেকুৱা হ'ব?
Question to tomorrow. What is convection? What is conduction? What do you mean by evaporation? নহলে 1 gram of proteins give dash. Dash লিখিলে fill in the blanks তুমি কি লিখিব লাগিব? 4 gram calories. ঠিক আছে? 1 gram of fats gives dash. কি লিখিবা? 9 calories. Thermogenesis means dash. কি লিখিবা? Heat production. Heat loss is also known as dash. তো তুমি কি লিখিবা? Thermolysis. তেনেকুৱা? হ'ল নে?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. এইটো লিখিছিল আগতে। Did you know this before? Have you written all this before? How to take a temperature in the armpit, axillary temperature? Say fast.
নাই লিখা মেম।
আগতে হোৱা নাই নেকি? এইটো লিখা, how to take temperature in the armpit. Armpit মানে তোমাৰ axillary temperature. Okay. First, প্ৰথমে তুমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? Gently pat the armpit with a tissue. Okay, tissue paper, with the help of tissue paper, you will have to gently clean the area. Why you have to clean the armpit? Because in the armpit there can be sweat. ঠিক আছে? Then there can be dirt. সেই কাৰণে you will have to gently pat it with the tissue paper. Before putting the thermometer inside the armpit, first you will have to clean the armpit. তাৰপিছত do not rub when drying the armpit because rubbing warms the skin. If you will rub the armpit too harsh, what will happen? It will produce heat from the body, and because of that heat, it might give you wrong. Okay, it will give you the wrong measurement, because of which you need to do it very gently. Number 2 is put the end with the colored or silver tip under the arm. It is silver tip junto hoy in the thermometer. This silver tip you will have to put inside the patient's armpit, and then you will have to hold the arm. Itu arm to ask to put it down so that it can hold the mercury thermometer. Next is keep the thermometer under the arm for 5 minutes. Yet 5 minutes likha ase kintu itu wrong hoy. 1 minute likha yat. Okay, yet 1 minute likha, 5 minutes nohoy, 1 minute. Keep the thermometer under the arm for 1 minute, 1 minute or longer. Okay, glass thermometer or until it beeps, digital thermometer. 1 minute you will have to keep inside the person's or the armpit. You will have to see in your watch. Okay, after 1 minute you will have to take out the glass thermometer. Aru jodi digital thermometer hoy, then it will beep. Okay, like it will just beep like that, so you will know. Then next is remove the thermometer without touching the tip. You should not touch the tip of the thermometer which was placed inside the patient's armpit. Then after that, gently wipe the thermometer with a tissue before reading it. After taking out the thermometer, you will have to gently wipe. Musibo lagibo. Okay. Then if the axillary temperature is more than 98 degree Fahrenheit, that is 36.7 degrees Celsius, then it is considered as fever. 98 or 99 degree Fahrenheit, then it is considered as fever. Write down this thing. How to take a temperature in the armpit. Armpit mane axillary temperature. Prathame gently clean with tissue paper. Do not rub it harshly, otherwise ki hobo? The skin will produce heat. He karone lahe lahe you will have to rub with tissue. Kyo koribo lage? So that if there is any kind of sweat or if any kind of dirt, it can be clean. Okay, you have to clean the sweat and dirt. Tarpisot etu silver color lining juntu ase thermometer etu tumi yat humabo lagibo in the axilla, and then you will have to hold the armpit. Okay, so that you can keep the thermometer in place. Tarpisot 1 minute or karne you just put inside the armpit and you see in your watch. After 1 minute, you take out the thermometer, clean the thermometer, safa korar pasot, you can read out the measurement that you have taken. Got it? Did you understand? Did you all understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Itu likha. Whole ne finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Whole. Okay. Tar pisot itu likha. How to measure body temperature orally. Orally mane inside your mouth. Mukhor bitorat. Okay. Inside your mouth, how will you check the temperature? Pratham, turn the thermometer according to the package direction. Tenekwa. Tar pisot, place the tip of the thermometer under one side of the tongue. Jibar tolot, you have to put this thermometer. And then you will ask the patient to close his or her mouth. The lips should be closed. Okay. Then remove the thermometer and you can find out the reading. If it is above 99, then it is considered as pyrexia or fever. It will likha how to measure body temperature orally. 1 point, second point, third point. First, second, tinita point ase, you write down. And this thing itu akibo lagibo in your practical copy. Itu. You will have to draw this diagram in your practical copy. Here just points to likhilwa. First point, second point, third point. Aru itu moi tumak I will give you a screenshot loi lua nohole. Take the screenshot and do this diagram in your practical copy. Have you taken the screenshot? Picture to loi lua.
Yes, ma'am.
Take screenshot and write it later in your practical copy. Lolene? Whole?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, itu akibo lagibo de. Tarpisot, this is the digital thermometer. Yet press korile, this is a silver lining. Itu press korile and after 1 minute it will beep automatically. Thik ase, itu hoy digital thermometer. Itu hoy tumar clinical or mercury thermometer. Itu hoy silver lining. This is glass, fully glass. Aru bitorot itu ase mercury. Mercury tu ki hoy? What is mercury? At a silver color lining ase bitorot. Okay. It is called known as para. You know mercury para?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Mercury is what? It's not para. Para hoy no hoy. So inside the glass or clinical or mercury thermometer, gutti tu pura glass hobo. Yat readings ase. And inside this yellow color, aru eta lining thakibo, bitor silver color, para thakibo, okay, mercury. And when you put this inside the patient's axilla, armpit, or inside the patient's mouth, what will happen? It will rise automatically. And then you can read the temperature of the patient. Take the picture of this. You have to akibo lagibo. Digital thermometer, take the picture, screenshot lua. And don't forget to mention figure digital thermometer. Digital and mercury thermometer itu completely different hoy. Yat para sara nai. Okay, it is not made of glass. It is made of plastic. Itu automatic hoy. Digital thermometer. Whole. You have taken the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Itu lua. Clinical or mercury thermometer. Itu lua. Picture lua. Whole ne?
Over, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So ইটো আঁকিব লাগিব, ইটো আঁকিব লাগিব আৰু ইটো। ওকে, আদাৰ থিংস এইবোৰ নালাগে। ওকে, ইটো, ইটো আৰু ইটো। These three things you have to আঁকিব লাগিব in your practical copy। আৰু ইটো যদি লিখা নাই লিখি লোৱা। And the rest things are all same। Okay, so about pulse now, vital signs on pulse, pulse pulse, it already whole amar, so somebody read out fast somebody read out Mukhtar Uddin read out the vital signs on pulse.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the
Yes,
vital
ma'am.
signs on pulse. Jolly read fast. Read fast. More bele class was jolly kora. Are Barnali Debarma? Hamida Khatun, you read out. Do you have vital signs on pulse? Hamida Khatun, you read out. Banita Chaudhary is present. Preeti Shangshai, you read out vital signs on pulse. Asena nai. Nawaz, you read out otherwise.
Hello, ma'am.
Vital signs on pulse to I will give good marks only to Nawaz, okay? Tomorrow answer dia nai no, later don't tell me, okay? If you get less marks in internal marks, muk nokoba. Okay? Nawaz, you read out. Are to excuse nidiba mo, okay? Network beya seya. Network to muru beya. Only Nawaz will get good marks and you all are not answering me. I will mark all your names and you will get less marks in practical. Nawaz, you read out.
Pulse. Pulse is the palpable bounding of the blood flow noted at various rates of the body, where the artery is near the surface and passes over a bone where blood is pumped into the arteries by the contraction of the left ventricle. Normal pulse rate in an adult is about 70 to 80 beats per minute. Characteristics of pulse. Pulse may have characteristics of rate, rhythm, volume, tension, and equality. Rate is the number of pulse. The average pulse rate of a young adult is 72 beats per minute. Common variation in heart rate may be tachycardia, that is pulse rate above 100 beats per minute. Second one is bradycardia, pulse rate below 60 beats per minute. Apical pulse rate should be checked when tachycardia or bradycardia is observed in a patient. Factor using variation in pulse rate. Pulse rate decreases normally with the advancement of age, but in old age, this may be due to a weak heart or medications. Pulse rate is in various age groupings given below. Age, the pulse rate: newborn 130 to 140 beats per minute, first year 115 to 130 beats per minute, second year 100 to 115 beats per minute, third year 90 to 100 beats per minute, 4 to 10 years 86 to 90 beats per minute, 10 to adult 72 to 80 beats per minute, old age 60 to 70 beats per minute.
Hall.
Second one is exercise. Short-term exercises increases the pulse rate, but long-term exercises strengthen the heart muscles, causing pulse rate less than the normal pulse rate. Rest and sleep decreases the heartbeat. A woman's heart pulse rate is above 5 beats more faster than men. Anxiety is increases the pulse rate. Medication, certain diseases such as hyperthyroidism, cardiomyopathy increases the heart rate. Hemorrhage, loss of blood increases the pulse rate. Position, pulse rate is higher in a standing position than in a sitting position, and also higher than in a sitting position than in a lying down position.
Okay.
Complete.
Hall, no? ঠিক
Yes,
আছে।
ma'am.
Okay, ঠিক আছে, good. এতিয়া you all can leave the meeting. Okay, I will upload your attendance and your video later on. মোক attendance দি দিব, ঠিক আছে? আৰু
Okay, ma'am.
Barnali and Nawaz, both of you listen properly, okay? Whenever attendance is being given, some of them, they are not even present in the class, kintu they give their names in the group. Okay,
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
do this. Only whoever are present, give me their names, because I used to have my screenshot here and I can see that many of you are absent but used to give your attendance. Tenekwa nokoriba. Only who are present, you give their attendance to me. Otherwise, I will mark everyone absent. Tenekwa nokoriba. Now also participants are only 18. Kintu likha time ote 30, 34, 24, 25 man ahe. Kenekwa, how? That is not possible. Okay?
Hello, ma'am.
ঠিক আছে, Nawaz?
Ma'am, participant get a screenshot লৈ দিম নে?
Participants screenshot লৈ actually মানে চোৱা নাম আছে কিন্তু roll number নাই আৰু মই roll number টো বিচাৰিব লাগিব in your portal, in my portal, teachers portal. So সেই কাৰণে অকমান দিগদাৰি হৈ যায়। তুমি screenshot টো লৈ লোৱা তোমাৰ নিজৰ ফালে, তাৰ পাছত you will know the roll number, no? Roll number তুমি গম পোৱা চাগে, বানিতা চৌধুৰী, নৱাজ, বিমল, তো এইবোৰ তুমি roll number টো চাই চাই লিখি মোক দি দিব।
Okay.
ঠিক আছে? Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.